It's not every day you come across a newly remodeled end-unit townhouse with own solar panels in heart of Siliconvalley. But today is the day. Nestled with the calm and friendly community in the top-rated school district, includes the highly acclaimed Los Altos High School. This home is just down the street from San Antonio Shopping Center, featuring Trader Joe's, a wide variety of restaurants, movie theater, Target, Walmart, and so much more. You're also surrounded by major tech campuses and have easy access to Highway 85, 237, and Central Expressway. Now, let's go check inside. Welcome. Luxury SPC floors lead into a bright living space where recessed lighting, an electrical fireplace with built-in shelving, and dual-pane windows create a warm, inviting atmosphere. Within the dining area, you will find access to the patio and a convenient wet bar leading into the beautifully updated kitchen. Stainless steel appliances, quartz countertops, abundant cabinetry, and a breakfast nook with pantry storage to complete the space, while a second sliding glass door opens to a relaxing deck overlooking the greenbelt. Passing the half bathroom, a skylight guides you upstairs, where you will find the 3 sun-filled bedrooms with their own closets, a full hall bathroom featuring dual sinks, and a stall shower, as well as a laundry closet with washer and dryer. The primary bedroom showcases soaring ceilings, a spacious walk-in closet with custom organizer, and a spa-like ensuite bathroom featuring a barn door, dual sinks, a soaking tub with a view, and a separate stall shower. A private balcony completes the retreat, perfect for enjoying your morning coffee. And as an added perk, the community offers a relaxing pool and a jacuzzi. Let's bring my tour to an end. I'm rennashee, your neighborhood realtor. If you have any questions, feel free to call at the number below. Also, be sure to click like the button and subscribe to stay up to date with all my future listings. And I will see you this weekend. Bye now.